Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I know, right? I'm wearing like snow gear and cowboy boots. Walk in the middle of a Mississippi, well, it used to be a farm town, now it's a factory town. Just trying to get a little walk in for probably being snowed in for a few days. Car's coming. But yeah, wanted to actually do a little small adventure while I can. I never really do anything in snow, so that'd be pretty interesting to do. So thought you guys could come along with me, and I'm gonna do a little Mexican treat in the middle of Mississippi during a snowstorm. When I was a kid, I never thought there would be snow like this in Mississippi ever. There's a cow. Moo, buddy. Quiero vacas. Well, it looks like the rednecks have been having their fun doing donuts around here. Alright. This is actually where it kind of gets bad. But it's so cool to see what we can. Because now we're on hills. But look at this. I never noticed that wasn't that far away. The bridge line. So all those crops that are growing over there, they're really not that far away from where I am. A little bit farther. Getting to the point where I'm so far away that if I need help, I have no one that can come and get me. Pero no pasa nada. I got my adventure that I want to do for y'all, and by golly, I'm going to do it. I just got off the phone with my friend because I want to show y'all this. You think the hay is still for sale right now? I could probably use some to keep some warm. Oh! I smell Google Bush. Oh, okay. You see how far I've gotten? Yeah, I've actually been on the phone with a friend for probably about 30, 40 minutes. So, but I made it to where I was trying to get to. Look at this. Now, when I was younger, I would walk all the way out here, or not walk, I actually ran out. It's about right here. Sometimes I would go farther, but I was a chunk, so didn't really run too far. You know, honestly, I thought I'd be here way quicker, but the snow, I'm not used to it, and all this walking with like having to plant your feet and make sure you got a good grip before you move to the next one. Yeah, it's not cool, but it's nice to get out of the house and reminisce a little. Oh yeah, beautiful nature. Let me see. That's gonna be filled before we know it, because look at that. You wanna know how the South is white trash? It's a mattress. Yeah. Cold. I wanna keep walking. I have a friend that I put him on hold. I've been calling him. But I think it's about time I get ready and prepare y'all the treat that I'm gonna have out here, and try not to let it fall or anything, and hope that no traffic comes by and kills me while I'm trying to do it. Maybe I'll get off on a hill where there's some grass, some dry grass. Alright, let me find a spot. I'm technically probably in someone else's farmland. They grow cotton and soybeans around here every year, but As long as I stay near the ditch, I think I'm fine to do a little video. And I'm not gonna litter. Okay. For the big reveal, let's see what I've had in the backpack. Water that I should have been drinking the whole time. Mexican donuts. I got some Mexican sugar cane that actually looks like it's rotting, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat too much of this. May or may not. I think the cold weather is actually ruining it. And I got a coquitacito because Mexicans really like Coke. If you don't believe me, go to Mexico. The first thing you're gonna drink is Coke. Donitas. Delicious Mexican. Or, yeah, it's probably Mexican. Not Latino, but it's Mexican only because it's spicy. But cheers. Oh, that hits the spot right now with it being so cold. I still gotta walk back, but thankfully I got my friend TJ. He's on the phone with me. Him and his wife Emerald. Oh, they're gonna keep me company. I wish other people would go for little walks and snacks like this, but you know, not many people like it. Let's open up our drink. Oh, I need that. I need that. It's not sugar, but it tastes close enough. There's got to be people coming by. I wonder if they will want to stop and. What's up, man? He's probably like, what in the world is that fat dude doing in the middle of the fields? I'm not gonna eat all of these because I don't want to feel heavy on the way back. I don't think I'm gonna eat the caña either because the caña is like really red. It's probably ruining in this cold weather, which makes sense. You grow it in like really hot, almost subtropical weather, so I guess you don't want to just have it anywhere. I'm gonna have to keep this beanie on because it is getting colder. And I've had a backpack. That'll be fine. It's biodegradable. I don't feel bad. It creates mulch. And besides, it's not the only weird thing out here. I hope I don't kill a deer. Alright, I gotta walk back. Oh, that was really hard to do. That means it's kind of cold. Real quick, just because I, like most people, see something on YouTube and think I can do it. If you're gonna go for a walk like this in snow, it's about staying dry over warmth when you're going on walks like this. Trust me, you will stay warm when you're walking, and you don't want to be sweating inside your clothes. But one thing I didn't do that I should have, instead of wearing a short sleeve shirt, I should have worn a long sleeve shirt because my forearms are a little cold even in my rain jacket or snow to rain resistant jacket. But I'm not far from home. I'm not worried about phosphorus. Plus, if I need to, I have a glove in my backpack that I can put my hand in, and I will be safe from my fingers falling off. But yeah, time to make the journey home. I'm about to call my friend. Okay, I'm halfway back home. In fact, I'm probably more than halfway back home. And look at this right. There's a church, so I know I'm close. Beautiful lake. I'm talking to my friend. Oh man, I'm really glad him and his wife are talking to me because I'm just like, I was alone doing this right now. Why are you going crazy? Alright, I'm almost home. Thank y'all for watching. I'm very thankful that y'all got to share in my Mexican treats today. And it's nice to not feel like you're stranded, even though right now I'm probably stranded at my house. Ooh, for the next at least 6 days. But no pasa nada. I got canned food. I got water. Maybe I'll be able to do another adventure for y'all. Man, I'd love to actually camp in this snow, but got to find a place where I don't feel like anyone would get on to me. But I'm almost home, and y'all subscribe if you haven't. Thank y'all.